Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Okay, today we're going to learn about body compositions. Okay, for this topic there are several subtopics. Um, okay, class, the learning outcome for this topic. After finishing this topic, student able to understand the basic components of the body composition, which is fat, protein, body water, and the minerals. And then a student able to apply and demonstrates the measurement for the body composition, which is student able to use the skin fold measurement, body mass index, BIA, which is the bio independent analysis, and etc. Okay, next is the introductions of the body composition. Okay. The body compositions is the methods of breaking down the body into its component, which is the fat, protein, minerals, and body water. So it describes your weight more accurately and provide a better glimpse into your overall health than the traditional method. So body compositions analysis can accurately show changes in the fat mass, muscle mass, and body fat percentage. Okay. Body composition is a universal term used in the health and fitness industry. So doctor use a body compositions to find what percentage of your body weight affects. Okay, it helps them to figure out your levels of your level of health. Body compositions is important because someone else can be the same height and same weight as you, but they may have a more body fat and less muscles. So this could lead to the different health issue in them. So next, in the physical fitness, body composition is used to describe the percentage of fat, bone, water, and muscle in human body. Because muscle tissue take up less space in the body than the fat tissue. So the body composition as well as weight determines the leanness. Okay, next. Okay, as we know, our body is made up of the water, protein, fat, and minerals. So there are two types of fats in our body, which is essential fats and the storage fats. Okay, next. So what is difference between essential fat and the storage fat? Okay. Okay, non-fat mass also known as the essential fat. Okay, this is a kind of fat in our bones, liver, kidney, intestine, and muscle. So fat in this place is what required for our body to function normally. So the essential fat exactly uh, essential for our life and healthy body because this fat is found in our brain, bone marrow, nerve, membranes, and membranes. So at the membrane, it protect our organ. Okay, and then essential fat play a major role in the hormone regulations, okay, that including the hormones that control the fertility, vitamin absorptions, and the temperature regulations. Okay, next, the fat mass, also known as the storage fat. Okay, this is found in our adipose tissue. Okay, these types of fat is used as a energy for our body. So it insulates and as a cushions in our body. So it's surrounded in our organ and it just under our skin. So if we have the excessive storage fat, it can be harm to our health. So having too much of the storage fat can be lead to the chronic disease and a condition, for example, the heart failure, diabetes, obesity, and fatigue. Okay. Okay, as we can see in this slide, actually, our body for the essential fat we just need for the man only 3%, and for the woman we need around 12%. So for the non-essential fat, which is the storage fat, okay, for the man we need around 12 percent, and for the woman only we need around 15%. So the healthy body composition, which is this is the average or the assumptions of the our body need. For the muscle tissue, for the man 45%, for the woman 36%, for the bone, for men we need around the 15%, and for women we need around the 12%. Okay, next. Okay, next, the definitions of a weight. So how we want to know our classifications category in the body mass index. So the body mass index accounts for the difference in the frame size better than height weight table. So you need to measure your weight divide by height times height, then after you get the amount, so you can know your category or your classifications of the body mass index. For example, if your category, your result less than 18.5, so you are in the underweight category. If you get the 18.5 until 24.9, so you are in the normal qualifications of body mass index. So more than 25.0 until 29.9 is the overweight category. So you need to be careful with your weight. And then more than 30 until 34.9 is category for the obesity class 1. Okay, next is the health risk associated with being overweight. So we need to very careful if our body is category of overweight, because several disease will lead in our body. For example, coronary heart disease, hypertension, blood pressure, hypercholesterol, or obesity. So what is the coronary heart disease? This is because of the plaque built up in the walls of the artery that supply the body, they supply the blood to the heart. So this plaque is made up of deposits of a cholesterol and other substance in the artery. So this plaque build up cause the insides of the artery to narrow over time, which is can partially or totally block the blood flow. Okay, next is the hypercholesterol. Okay, or excess of the cholesterol. So cholesterol is the fats that in our body need to work properly. So too much of the bad cholesterol can increase or chance of the getting heart disease or stroke or other problems. So in the medical term, for the high blood cholesterol, we call it the hypercholesterolemia. So next is the hypertension. So hypertension in the medical term we call the high blood pressure. So this hypertension can be short term because it responds to a specific activity, pain, or stressful situation. Okay, next is the diabetes. Okay, diabetes is a chronic or long-lasting health condition that affects how our body turn food into energy. So the most of the food we eat is a breakdown into a sugar, so or we call a glucose, so and release into our bloodstream. So when our blood sugar goes up, it signals our pancreas to release the insulin. So we need to very careful if we take a more sugar in our diet. So next, for the lean or lean person also need to be careful also, because the another health risk is also associated with the thin person.